What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the first time, guys, please smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I want to come back with this program. I don't think I made a video for 2023 yet for M.A.P, my automatic pay. This is still one of my favorite digital business opportunities. This particular program right here, guys, you can make $247 commissions over and over. It comes with the done-for-you system. All these, the products they offer are digital products. The link is in the description. Go check it out at www.getpaidfromhome.info. All right. So let's take a look. Let's do a quick review on this. This is one of the sales pages they have right here. You want to watch this 4-minute video. The key to wealth is to get recurring payments while you sleep. All right. So they have a complete sales funnel. It comes with capture pages, video sales page. Okay. The built-in follow-up email, which will allow this system to automatically recruit people on your behalf. Okay, because the system is going to do all the selling and telling. So what bonuses are you getting with this system? They give you the complete sales funnel. All right, autoresponders included, so you don't have to go out and purchase an additional autoresponder up front if you don't want to. It comes included with the system. All right, no monthly fees with this program. The free members area. Done for you traffic. They offer the traffic resources in the back office. Once you get started, you'll see those there. It comes with an 800 number that you can include on your advertising. Of course, unlimited potential to earn $247 payments any way you want, paid directly to you, because this is member to member. When the person signs up with you, they're going to pay you directly. Okay. In any form of payment you so choose, whether it's credit card, Venmo, Cash App, okay, whatever your heart desires, okay, you set that up in your profile. And of course, it comes with the robust tracking interface so you can keep track of all your leads. The analytics will show you, what people are watching, how long they watched the video, etc. Okay. So here is a screenshot that they took of some of the members that are that have made money with the program. There's many more. There's just a quick snapshot here, as you can see. I'm included in here, and these numbers are even higher than they're showing here. This is just a screenshot, guys. So anyway, folks have made money with this program. Okay, you could fill 8 pages with results. So they're saying you get the idea. So just want to show you some proof of payments here. All right, so the products that they have here is the digital products, the M.A.P digital marketing tool, the traffic generator, list building solutions, create your own job, winning webinars, 1K subscribers in 30 days, brain manipulation 101, direct response secrets, and dozens of more. Okay. So this product here, I like the digital marketing tool. You want to check this one out when you get in there. And it has a lot of great nuggets in it. Okay. The digital marketing tool. So you get paid with this program. They call it the reverse one-up comp plan. So how does it work? Okay. When you refer someone, your very first sale that you make, you're going to earn $247 instantly. Your second sale, as you can see right here, they indicated and illustrated here, it will be passed up to your sponsor. So everyone will pass up their second sale. But the third sale to infinity, you're going to keep all those sales. But what's so great about it? Everybody that signs up with you has to pass up their second sale. See, the pass ups, and they go on and on and on. So just think about it. If you just had a handful of people that signed up with you, each one of them owe you $247. Okay, so think about it like that. So, in essence, you're earning $494 per person. Okay, so think about that. $4.94 per person, because they're going to pay you $247 when they sign up. Then their second sale is going to pass up to you from that same person. So you made $4.94 per person. Okay. So the pass ups are awesome because they're going to come at any point in time when you're not even expecting them. Okay. So getting paid passively is awesome. It's a proven fact that this one-page presentation, because this is the page that everybody's going to see, and people can decide whether they're in and out or out by just this page, because they're going to watch the video here. This page explains everything in detail. Then they have another video here. People see results, so they're like, oh, okay, well, this seems to be working. Well, what am I getting? Then they see the products that they're going to get here. Well, how does the comp plan work? These are all the questions that people typically ask. Okay, so right here, how does it work? That's explained, and then they break it down right here. Okay, and then it tells them, hey, if you're ready to get started, here's what you're going to pay. So this program is pretty affordable, guys. It's $280 one time to get started. As you can see on the page, it's $33 that goes to the company, and $247 goes to your enroller. That's it. You have the product, the program, you have access. What happens is, once you get started, say you join me, I'll go ahead and mark you paid, send you a welcome email, and you will have instant access to your product. So you're going to click this button. 33 is going to show you and direct you to pay the company. 247 is going to direct you to send me 247. All right, so you'll get a welcome email from me, and you're ready to go. You'll have access to the system, and then from that point you can go in there, and let's take a look at the back office. I want to show you that real quick. So you're going to go in and you're going to follow the steps that it states. Start here. Okay, you log in, it says start here. Complete your profile, complete your payment options, set up the payment options. How do you want to get paid? List those ways: Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, credit card, whatever it is in there, right? And then right here, activate your site, which means you got to pick one of the capture pages, and there's a video that shows you how to select which capture page you want to use. And then from there, step 3 is what? Get traffic. How are we going to promote this thing? There's many ways to do that. They give you ideas right here: social media, solo ads, postcards, okay, drop cards, advertise in a magazine. So there's many ways to promote this opportunity. Once you get started, we can have a little chat, and I can help you come up with a marketing plan that will fit your budget, okay, to start promoting this opportunity. Okay, and they have all the resources right here for you as well. It's a done for you business in a box, ready to go, because like I said, the capture pages are here. Here's one that I like, I'm using right here. Unlimited payments 24/7. Discover a simple system that pays you unlimited times per day. A video is right here, so they'll click this video, watch this. If they're interested or it piques their interest, which is will do, they'll put their name and email in, and then they get this page that I was on right here. They're going to opt in, and then the follow-up email series that they explain here, built-in autoresponder, is going to send out emails on your behalf. Okay, very simple, guys. Very, very simple. All right, so if you're ready to get started, go ahead and click that link in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. Go ahead, watch this video. This is step 1. Okay, watch this video, read over the site, jot down your questions if you have any. Okay, watch this video, give me a jingle if you have any. If not, proceed. Right here, click the join button, pay your 33, your 247, 280, you're in, and we'll have a chit chat. And something else you may want to look at, I just got started with this other resource that you may want to check out. You may want to use this resource. Let's go check it out right here. Okay, you may be interested in getting this resource where you get this system. This is $125 one time, but it's going to give you access, okay, to the vendor right here for targeted leads, okay, and then the texting automated system that they're going to offer you, this done for you system. Okay, so you may be interested in getting this service. Okay, you can only get this service if you join guaranteedleads.io. Okay, get access to it. All right, otherwise, if not, we will get you in touch with the vendors that I use so that you can purchase some solo ads and start getting traction in this business. All right, guys, if that sounds like something you're interested in, please click the link in the description. Get started. Look forward to working with you. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload the videos. All right, guys, till next time, see you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.